Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana, an assistant teacher, National English Version School. Today I would like to take ICT class for class 7. Dear students, our today's topic assignment and our assignment number 1. Okay, our assignment to topic assignment 1. So let's start our class. At first look at our assignment. What they say? Our class 7 assignment number 1, chapter and title of the chapter. Our chapter name, Information and Communication Technology in Daily Life. Lesson number and topics. Here are lesson numbers. Chapter number 1 and lesson 1 and 2, Information and Communication Technology in Personal Life. Lesson 3 and 5, Information and Communication Technology at Workplace. And lesson 6 and 7, Information and Communication Technology in our social life. And what is our assignment task? Here is our assignment task. Assignment task is create a report on the role of information and communication technology in significant areas of personal life, workplace and social life. And you have to write not more than 250 words, that is less than 250 words. Less than 250 words. You have to write less than 250 words. Just notice it. And our instructions: gain adequate knowledge on relevant topics of the textbook, taking help from parents or guardians if needed, and contacting subject teacher through virtual media or mobile due to current situation, taking help from the internet, and preparing the report in your own handwriting. Dear learners, at first you have to know that how to create a report, create a report. Now this is a sample answer and you have to follow this process. This is a report format. How to write? You have to write this format. Okay. Now I am showing. You have at first write to date name. Date, you have to write date, and today's date 25th August 2021, and to write to the headmaster. So it is an academic report. So to the headmaster, and then your school name. Your school name is National Ideal English Version School, and that's address Banusri, Dhaka. Then you have to write the subject name or subject. Then back to our assignment task. Our assignment task: create a report on the role of information and communication technology in significant areas of personal life, workplace and social life. Here is our subject: the role of information and communication technology in significant areas of personal life, workplace and social life is the subject. And then, dear sir, most respectfully I am presenting. Then your title name. Our title is also here. Titles: the role of information and communication technology in significant areas of personal life, workplace and social life. Okay, here is our title name. Then you have to write title names: the role of information and communication technology in significant areas of personal life, workplace and social life as per your order memorandum number. Students, order memorandum, just notice this order memorandum number, that is your school name is short form, National N, Ideal for I, first letter capital, you must write capital letters, English E, version V and school S, and August 08, 2021, published on. This is published date, assignment published date. 11th August 2021. This is our published assignment, 11th August 2021. Okay. Just then you move on your title again. Okay. Title: the role of information and communication technology in significant area of personal life, workplace and social life. That is our topic. Then you have to write introduction. Introductions about ICT. What is ICT? Yes, at least 4 and 5 sentence. 4 and 5 sentence. At least 4 and 5 sentence about ICT and introductions. whatever you say, roles, then move on. Our assignment task, say the areas of personal life. Now roles of ICT in personal life. Then you have to description. You have to description and describe roles of ICT in personal life, at least 8 to 10 sentences. 8 to 10 sentences about in personal life, ICT in personal life, 8 to 10 sentences. Then move on. Our workplace, roles of ICT in our workplace. Then description, that is 8 to 10 sentences. 8 to 10 sentences, roles of ICT in workplace. And social life, ICT, roles of ICT in our social life, you write also here 8 to 10 sentences within. Okay. After that, conclusion, 2 lines or 2 sentences, then you finish your writing. Okay. Then reporter's name and address. What is the reporter's name? Reporter's name and address. Reporters, then class, your class is 7, your roll name, you write your roll, then section, which section you read, section 1, it could be 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then your school name, National Ideal English Version is school. And your assignment submission date 31st August 2021. 31st August 2021. So dear learners, is there any problem, is there any errors, any questions about assignment, then you can call me. Here is my number 01799585492. So, hope understood today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.